Ethereum, close by Bitcoin and Dogecoin, is one of those digital currencies that are notable even beyond the crypto local area. Furthermore, it is justifiably Ethereum is one of the most component-rich and fascinating blockchains out there. Other than being an unimaginably imaginative innovation, Ethereum is likewise an extraordinary resource for venture. Not at all like little altcoins, it has to a lesser extent an opportunity to fail spectacularly. However, it actually can possibly moon and bring its financial backers galactic benefits. In this video, we will endeavor to figure how Ethereum's cost might act from here on out. Kindly recall that because of the flighty and unstable nature of the digital currency market, all crypto value expectations ought to be accepted tentatively. This video doesn't comprise venture guidance. Ethereum authentic value examination. As indicated by the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of Ethereum is $1,696.89, and ETH is as of now position number 2 in the whole crypto biological system. The dissemination supply of Ethereum is 122,373,866 ETH, with a market cap of $207,655,312,275.84. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto has expanded by $35.80 in its ongoing worth. Throughout the previous 7 days, ETH has been in a decent vertical pattern, hence expanding by 11.43%. Ethereum has shown areas of strength for exceptionally of late, and this could be a decent chance to dive right in and contribute. During the last month, the cost of ETH has expanded by 11.32%, adding a gigantic typical measure of $192.09 to its ongoing worth. This unexpected development implies that the coin can turn into a strong resource, now assuming that it keeps on developing. What is Ethereum? The most ideal way to improve as a financial backer, gain by your underlying speculation, and increment your benefit is to more deeply study the resource you're working with. While digital currency costs, in contrast to those of customary resources, like stocks, are more speculative in nature and depend much less on their characteristic worth, they actually depend here and there on what the coin token can and should have the option to do. For instance, digital currencies like Polkadot might see a flood in cost if their capacity to give blockchain interoperability unexpectedly turns out to be particularly popular. The consolidation, previously Ethereum 2.0, last year the Ethereum blockchain, which drives a large portion of the crypto business, finished the long-guaranteed and frequently deferred consolidation, a specialized change in the manner in which it capabilities. The send-off of the union, recently named Ethereum 2.0, was presumably one of the most expected occasions in the crypto business. The change nearly everybody was amped up for was the change from the verification of work agreement instrument to the proof of stake one. This arrangement was planned to eliminate quite possibly of the greatest issue the overall population has with crypto: how impractical it is. Moreover, ETH 2.0 was intended to assist with tackling the versatility issue that the Ethereum network has been confronting. As of the present moment, Ethereum utilizes a calculation that picks another block maker arbitrarily. The applicant is picked from among the people who have marked their Ether, the local coin of the Ethereum blockchain, in return for the amazing chance to play out the work and get installment for it. One's possibilities being chosen to fabricate the new block increment with how much Ether they stake. The whole motivation behind a blockchain with an agreement component is to keep away from the requirement for unified brokers to approve exchanges. Without genuine decentralization, one should address whether Ethereum's different issues are worth the effort. Ethereum Value Expectation 2023, as per the specialized examination of Ethereum costs expected in 2023. The base expense of Ethereum will be $2,336.24. The greatest level that the ETH cost can reach is $2,706.45. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $2,419.53. Likely return for money invested, 59.4% by ETH value gauge for February 2023. In view of the value variances of Ethereum toward the start of 2023, crypto specialists expect the typical ETH pace of $1,749.26 in February 2023. Its base and most extreme costs can be anticipated at $1,599.32 and at $1,799.23 individually. Expected return for capital invested, 6% by WOC 2023. Ethereum value figure digital money specialists are prepared to report their gauge for the ETH cost in WOC 2023. The base exchanging cost may be $1,752.58, while the most extreme could reach $1,869.20 during this month. By and large, it is normal that the worth of Ethereum may be around $1,819.23. Likely return for capital invested, 10.1% by ETH value conjecture for April 2023. Crypto experts have actually looked at the value variances of Ethereum in 2023 and in earlier years, so the normal ETH rate they anticipate may be around $1,855.60 in April 2023. It can drop to $1,788.97 as a base. The most extreme worth may be $1,941.97. Possible return on initial capital investment, 14.4% by May 2023. Ethereum value figure around mid-year 2023. The ETH cost will be exchanged at $1,892.72 by and large. May 2023 could likewise observe an expansion in the Ethereum worth to $2,034.75. It is expected that the cost won't drop lower than $1,809.42 in May 2023. Expected return for capital invested, 19.9% by ETH value conjecture for June 2023. Crypto specialists have broke down Ethereum costs in 2023, so they are prepared to give their assessed exchanging normal to June 2023. $1,949.51. The most minimal and top ETH rates may be $1,882.86 and $2,110.46. Possible return on initial capital investment, 24.3% by July 2023. Ethereum value figure. Crypto experts expect that toward the finish of summer 2023, the ETH cost will be around $2,007.99. In July 2023, the Ethereum cost might drop to at least $1,924.69. The normal pinnacle worth may be $2,207.94 in July 2023. Possible return for money invested, 30.1% by ETH value estimate for August 2023. Having dissected Ethereum costs, digital currency specialists expect that the ETH rate could arrive at a limit of $2,308.34 in August 2023. It may, nonetheless, drop to $2,005.01 for August 2023. The determined normal of Ethereum is almost $2,088.30. Likely return for money invested, 36% by September 2023. Ethereum value figure around mid-2023. The Ethereum cost will be exchanged at the typical degree of $2,171.84. Crypto examiners expect that in September 2023, the ETH cost could vary somewhere in the range of $2,105.20 and $2,391.87. Possible return for capital invested, 40.9% by ETH value estimate for October 2023. Market specialists expect that in October 2023,